Hey everybody, it's Gary again, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's going on in my second video. Over here in the condo, I met a really nice couple. This man and woman, the guy's name is Orlando, and the lady's name is Paula, and they're really, really nice people. So we become pretty good friends. And actually, Orlando helped me set up a lot of this furniture and stuff. He was really handy on that. So he was very helpful. So, anyways, Orlando likes to cruise a lot, go on a lot of cruises with his wife, and he's become pretty much an expert on wheeling and dealing and getting good prices on cruises. I know with COVID and everything, cruises haven't been that popular, but hey, we decided to plan ahead a little bit, and I decided I wanted to go on a cruise with them, and I convinced Bo from Melbourne on the other side of Florida to go with me because she met Orlando and Paula a few weeks ago when she was here visiting. So in November, if the Lord willing, Bo and I are going to fly from Orlando up to Boston for a few days, and then we're going to link up with the other couple who are visiting some family in Louisville, and they're going to come to Boston on the 23rd, or 22nd of November, and Bo and I are going to spend a few days in Boston first. We're going to link up with them and another couple, which is Paula's sister and brother-in-law, and we're all going to fly from there to Barcelona, Spain. Got a great deal on Levo flight, $120 one way, US dollars, with about a $44 baggage fee for one bag, to check in, which Bo and I will share doing that. So we got a dirt cheap flight. We're going to fly to Barcelona, and then on the 23rd, 22nd we're flying to Barcelona. On the 23rd, we are leaving Barcelona, and we're going to travel for 14 nights, 15 days, from Barcelona to Malaga, Spain, to Cadiz, Spain, to Portugal, Santa Cruz in the Canary Islands, be at sea for several days, then be to Tortola in the British Virgin Islands, and then we're going to end up in San Juan. It's one of those reposition cruises. And then the other couple's going to go back to Tampa, and Bo and I are going to stay a few days and enjoy San Juan and Puerto Rico. And then on the 7th or 8th of December, we're going to fly back to Orlando, and then she'll go home, and then I'll drive back to Tampa. So that's one cruise. The second cruise we got scheduled is another reposition cruise that's going to be in April of next year, April 10th to the 24th. Dirt cheap, $600 for 14 nights, 15 days. There's a lot of days at sea, and it's going to go from Tampa, Florida to Rome, Italy. It's going to stop at Ibiza and Naples along the way. And then the other couple, Orlando and Paula, are going to go on a second cruise, go up to Venice, and then do the Greek islands. And I decided with Bo that we would, when we got done with Rome, we would not go on the second cruise, but we would travel by Eurail or take a puddle flight and go visit my French brother and Italian sister, Marco and Rosaria, in the French Riviera. Spend a few days with them, maybe go over to Germany and see our old stamping grounds, because I lived in Germany, for 5 years, and Bo used to be a school teacher there many years ago. So we may spend a few days in Germany. And then on the 3rd of May, we're going to get up to Paris, and we're going to link up with the other couple who's going to take a Eurail over to Paris from after they get off the cruise. And we're going to spend a few days in Paris, and then we're going to fly out on TAP Airlines back to Boston, Massachusetts. We got a great deal on that flight too, like $144 one way. You can't beat it. And then from there, we're taking another flight from Boston to Tampa, and then we'll return home. So we'll be gone on that cruise for about 25 days. I think the total cost is like about $1,300 or $1,400. You cannot beat that. Of course, that's not for the period in the middle there where Bo and I are going to do our own thing. But the cruise is really cheap. In fact, the other cruise was just as cheap. So we got a great deal on these cruises. So we booked them early. We got them all booked. They're all paid for already. So hopefully the airlines and the cruise lines won't cancel these. There's always the issue with COVID. Who knows? But right now we're going to take a chance on it. So we got a couple things to look forward to down the line. So anyways, that's the story on there. I'm getting ready right now to, that's why I finally took a little shower here. I had my neighbors help me put stuff on my arm so I wouldn't get it wet. And I took my Saturday night bath. And I'm actually, even though I had the surgery yesterday, since I'm feeling okay, some friends of mine are having a little small get-together. And I'm going over there for dinner and meeting up with a few friends. And as long as I can do okay, I'm going to stay there a few hours and just to get out of the house. So anyways, that's about it. I'm working around my health issues. Condo's pretty much all squared away now. I feel pretty good that that's all done and everything's in order now, and I don't have to do any more buying of stuff and everything. I think everything worked out really well. So I'm really happy with the way the condo turned out, and I did it very reasonably speaking. Quite honest with you, I was pretty good, pretty savvy on my shopping, so I did really well, and I'm pretty happy with the way everything kind of fit in here and how it worked out. So that's about it. I hope you're all having a good day, and I hope life is treating you well. And I'm sorry I haven't been on WordPress very much, with the surgeries and doctor's appointments and blah, 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 excuses. So anyways, I will keep in touch with you all. I just want to give you an update on some stuff going on in my life. Have a great day. Bye.